Hello everyone, my name is Jacob Feldman and I'll be showing you how the water stops pouring, and I'm going to tell you how the water really stops pouring inside the cup. Well, anyways, happy St. Patrick's Day everyone. If you really like this cupcake, go like my video or subscribe me. Well, I'm gonna pour water on the first cup and put the water bottle upside down like this, and see what happens to this. Do you see the water stop pouring? Well, it's because there's no lack of air inside and not enough room. Well, let's do the second glass cup. Well, you already know that there's no lack of air, right? A lot of you have seen this on my TikTok, right? And a lot of you are asking me if I can split these two together apart, but I can't because it may spill a lot. Well, let's do it again. See? The water stops pouring inside the glass cup. Well, I'm doing the last cup this time, but this is a little bit big. Well, anyways, here we go. Wow, that's cool. Well, that's all I can show you. The reason why it stopped pouring because there's no lack of air. Have you done physics before? If you do, that's great. Comment down below, what do you think? Well, anyways guys, thank you for watching. Once again, if you really like this cupcake, go like my video or subscribe me. If you want to subscribe me, just click me right over there. And if you want to see the next video, go click on this video right over there. Once again, happy St. Patrick's Day. Enjoy your day.